Hello, dear students. This is the ninth session of unit number 1, that is basic of software testing and testing method. Our today's topic is white box testing part 1. This is a second box approach. We'll already seen the first box approach, that is black box testing. This is a second box approach, that is white box testing, and this is the part 1 of white box testing. Uh, so, what is white box testing? The white box testing is exactly vice versa of black box testing. Here, you need to have full knowledge of design, structure, and code while testing an application. So, according to it, you are passing test input, you are checking the application with the full knowledge, and after getting the output, you will verify it and you're discovering more and more works from an application. So white box testing technique analyze the internal structure, the used data structure, internal design, code structure, and the working of software rather than just the functionality. As in black box testing, it is also called as glass box testing or clear box testing or structural testing. We called it glass box testing because we are clear about the knowledge of design, structure, and code. So we are having all over idea regarding the application. That's why it's called a glass box testing. We are having clear knowledge of that application. Okay. So advantages of white box testings are: white box testing is a very thorough, as a entire code and structure are tested. It results in the optimization of code, removing errors, and helps in removing the extra lines of code. It can start at an earlier stage as it doesn't require any interface, as in the case of black box testing. It is easy to automate. So here you need to test an application by going to check an application. In that, you need to you there is no need of any GUI. You can check an application through code. So you need to have a full knowledge of that programming language or that environment. The disadvantages of white box testing are: the main disadvantage is that it is very expensive. Second one, the redesign of code and rewriting of code needs a test cases to be written again. So you need to write test cases again if that particular code is having an error. Uh, Testers are required to have a depth knowledge of the code and programming language as opposed to black box testing. So you are very much means you need to have a skills of that particular programming language, or you need to build a code, or you need to have full knowledge of that code. So it is quite difficult for a tester. Next is the white box testing is very complex and it's not a times realistic. Thank you.